Let's make 2 different smoothies that actually taste good and will keep you full and energized for more than an hour. This first smoothie is strawberries and cream. When making smoothies, always use frozen fruit, never use ice. I do not trust smoothies with ice in them. To the strawberries, add in your milk of choice. I'm using almond milk, coconut, or whole milk would also work great. Protein is going to help keep you full. Vanilla adds good flavor to this smoothie. Let's talk healthy fats. This is my favorite almond butter because it has vanilla in it, making it a little bit sweet, but you can use your nut butter of choice. Add in a little bit of honey if you're worried about sweetness. This brand you can find at Walmart or Target. Fats are a super important fuel source and help you absorb certain vitamins, so do not skip out on this. The secret ingredient to this smoothie is oats, and before I get hate for putting oats in a smoothie, oat milk is literally oats in water, so it's not that strange. This is what gives the drink a silky mouthfeel and is a great source of fiber. All you have to do now is blend and enjoy. The oats give this such good mouthfeel. 10 out of 10. This next smoothie is what I like to call sunshine in New York. It's as dark as our clouds, but it's filled with lots of bright flavors and is a great way to sneak in nutrients. It starts out with a tropical blend of frozen fruit, I just showed my favorite one, and uses a blend of juice and milk for optimal flavor to creaminess ratio. I'm using chocolate protein powder. You could use a vanilla one if you want the smoothie to stay green. Now add in your veggies. I'm using spinach, but if you're looking for even more nutrients, you could throw in some riced sweet potato from the freezer section. Blend and enjoy. The recipes are going to be at the end of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more food content. Such an easy way to eat spinach.